Hey guys, I'm Mark with the Ovalrcteam, and it's time to fly the Horizon Hobby E-flite Apprentice STS. I've never flown a plane before. This is my first time. I don't know how this is going to turn out, just so you guys know. It took me a little time to put the plane together, and it took me a little bit more time to put those floats on the bottom onto the plane. I didn't realize how much that was going to take. But we have everything set up. I'm going to do a pre-flight check here, the best that I can, and then we're going to set it in the water, and we're going to see if I can fly it. We're going to bust the myth. If you know, you buy a plane, you crash a plane, we're going to get rid of that right there and see if we can fly this thing, take off from the water and land it on the water, and here we go. I'm going to do my pre-check here. Turn my radio on. Okay. Plane's going through its checks right now. It's making a few beeps, moving the rudder around. I'm going to leave it sit here for just a second or two more. I'm just going to go over everything. So far, looks so good. I'm going to try to take off in beginner mode. They say this plane, you can do that. I'm a total beginner. Never flew a plane. I flew a drone and raced RC cars, as you guys know, but I never flew a plane, so I'm shaking. I'm really nervous. I don't even know the controls. I'm kind of scared about what's going to happen here. All right, move my accelerator, nothing, so we'll disarm it. We'll arm it. See if we got throttle. We got throttle. We got rudder. My rudder seems to be going all the way. That's my left to right. That looks good. Got my ailerons working. I think that's the ailerons on my wings there. I believe that makes the plane roll. We're going to find that out. I have no idea. And move the rear wing up and down too. Now we'll see if we can bump it into advanced mode here. And advanced mode really works that rear wing. Probably won't try that. We'll go back to beginner mode. We are set to go, I think. Okay, down is up is down, throttle, left and right, throttle, left and right. Okay, we're ready to go. Whew. I got Luke on the camera today for you guys. Thanks, Luke. I know Luke's not allowed to laugh during this whole deal here. No laughing, right, Luke? Okay, here we go. Here we go. We got the rowboat. We got the rowboat ready to go. We have the battery in that, so if we need to go get her, we can. I'm hoping that's not the case. Okay, I guess that's the good news. She floats. Got a little bit of a wind. Okay, we're gonna go down the other way a little bit, taxi around. 9er, 6er, 5er, 4. Whoever wanted to say that. Roger, over. Oh, we might end up in the bushes. Here we go. Right into the wind. Not good already, okay. Not good already. Almost took it into the... Now we have to go back down the other way. So that way it don't get out of sight too quick. The wind's a little bit more than what I want right now. That's not helping me out any. and I'm trying to steer it the other direction, but it won't. Okay, we'll go downwind. I am steering, so I am able to steer it, but the wind is blowing it all around. Okay, you ready? We're gonna try it. The wind's got a hold of it a little bit. Doesn't take much throttle for it to get going. Yeah, I'm shaking. I'm a little nervous. I end up giving a little bit of throttle from time to time here. I'm not ready to go high altitude yet. Woo! That was close. I wasn't trying to do that. The wind caught it a little bit. I almost put it right in the water. I'm trying to bring it back this way, but the wind does have a hold of it. Okay. Okay, we're starting to get a handle on it a little bit. And we'll try to give her a landing. I'm a little nervous. Woo! Wow! First flight ever, guys. And yeah, the wind had a hold of it. It blew it around. We almost crashed over there, but first time ever. I can't believe it. This is the, man, this is the Horizon Hobby Apprentice STS with the floats on it. You're only supposed to use the floats if you're experienced. I know why. Like I said, there's a little bit too much wind for me right now. I'm really nervous. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel. And boy, don't forget to keep watching the next videos I have coming out. Join my Facebook group. That's the Ovalrcteam, and we'll see you next time.